Today we're making a French turkey blanquette for Easter. It serves 6 and takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes from start to finish. Let's cook this silky classic. First, let's check the ingredients. 2.5 pounds of turkey breast cut into 1.5-inch chunks for even boiling. 6 cups of low-sodium chicken or turkey stock to gently boil the meat. 1/2 cup dry white wine to lift the flavor. 3 medium carrots, sliced 1/4 inch thick for sweetness and color. 1 small leek, white part only, sliced for a gentle onion aroma. 1 cup of peeled pearl onions for classic blanquette texture. 10 ounces of button mushrooms, quartered for bite and earthiness. 1 cup of green peas for a fresh spring finish. 1 tied bouquet garni with parsley stems, thyme, and bay leaf for classic French aroma. 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, divided for sautéing, and the roux. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to thicken the sauce. 3/4 cup of heavy cream for a silky finish. 2 large egg yolks to enrich the sauce. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, divided for seasoning throughout. 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for gentle warmth. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley for a fresh green finish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the turkey chunks dry, then season with 1 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Place the turkey in a large pot with 6 cups of stock, 1/2 cup of white wine, the bouquet garni, the sliced leek, the carrots, and the peeled pearl onions. Bring it to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Skim off any foam, lower the heat to a gentle simmer, and cook for 25 minutes until the turkey is just tender. Meanwhile, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet over medium heat and cook the quartered mushrooms with 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt for 5 minutes until they release their juices. Set aside. In a saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter, whisk in 3 tablespoons of flour, and cook for 2 minutes without browning to make a blonde roux. Ladle in 3 cups of hot cooking broth from the pot, whisking gradually until smooth, and let it simmer for 5 minutes to thicken. With a slotted spoon, transfer the turkey, carrots, leek, and pearl onions to a bowl. Discard the bouquet garni and reserve the remaining cooking broth in the pot. In a mixing bowl, whisk together 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 2 egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Temper the liaison by slowly whisking in 1 cup of the hot sauce, then return it to the saucepan and cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes without boiling. Season the sauce with the remaining 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Fold the turkey and vegetables back into the sauce along with the sautéed mushrooms and let it simmer gently for 5 minutes. Stir in 1 cup of green peas and cook for 3 minutes until bright and tender. If the sauce is too thick, thin it with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of the reserved cooking broth, stirring until silky. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley and turn off the heat. Cover the pot and let it rest for 5 minutes to settle the flavors, then ladle into warm bowls. Serve this French turkey blanquette for Easter with its creamy sauce and spring vegetables. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you liked this Easter blanquette, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.